These are marked as quarter notes. So the composer must have wanted them to be somewhat illuminated. The middle section seems to be the hardest part for the students. So welcome back, everyone. This is Classical Piano Workshop with your host, Tony Winston. A lot of times I just do these videos in response to something I see on YouTube that, another teacher, and I just disagree with it. And I ran it past my own teacher, who's has a fair amount of experience, 80 years of experience, and she's got a master's from Juilliard. And I ran this idea by her of bringing out the top notes. And she just shook her head. And, the music does say the quarter notes are here. So those are the melody. And the left hand is, just being very soft.